welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I bring you another hot stock. The price is tremendously low right now. I'm going to talk about that stock. The stock we're talking about today is VEON. It's a telecommunication company, and the stock is going bananas right now. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to go to the technical analysis and why do I think it's a good buy. And I'm going to be picking up some of the shares for this as well. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. I release video every day on different stocks. The objective here is to basically find stocks that we can invest in and build our wealth. Right now, the market is crashing like crazy. But that's the opportunity. You know, if you have the capital, I think this is the opportunity for you to start getting into positions, long-term positions. When the market starts reviving, you'll have some wealth built in for you, right? So let's get started to the stock. I was looking at the stock from last few days. The stock has started declining, and I was looking to see where it's going to go. The stock, first of all, the company has been around for a while now. This is not a new company. VEON has been around since 1996. In 1996, their stock price was $1. When they launched, it was $1, and it's around 76. Let me draw a line real quick. Hold on one second. So when they did launch in 1996, the price was $1, almost $1.02, right? They dipped to 19 cents in 1998. After that, in 2009, they dipped to $3.29, right? The highest that went is $31. Okay, that was in 2007. Okay, that was the highest, is $31. Then the highest was $20, and the next one was $14. Right now, the stock, it's at I believe it's 28 cents when I last checked. Yep, it says it's at 28 cents right now. And we're talk about that, what's going on with the stock. So basically, as we know, the whole idea behind Ukraine situation that is happening. They have a lot of business in Ukraine as well, and there's a lot of fundamentals that of course, you're going to lose business there, and they do have a debt, I believe 1.2 billion. So people are kind of refraining, taking the money out from the stock just to be, just to avoid any certain certainty on the stock. But I think if the stock is at that price, even if you pick up, $200 worth of shares, and the stock goes and revives back to $14 the next 2 years, for example, I mean, that's nothing, right? $200, $300 is nothing. I mean, that's something anybody could take out from their paycheck, right? But we got to understand the company itself is a good company. So let's go to the stock capital market cap for this company is $681 million, right? The average share, they trade about 8,000. Today, they're doing 111,000 because a lot of people are selling it. That's why the number is really high today. And let's look at NASDAQ ownership from the institutional banks. Institutional banks are the banks like BlackRock, State Street, the big dogs, right? They have 23% of the shares, 23% of the ownership of this company, okay? So, again, to me, the stock price, looking at the factors like, institutional banks are invested in it, the market cap is not that low, and they have about 46,000 employees. All that considering the factor. Right now, look at the price is at 28 cents. The RSI is literally started coming up now because there's a pressure. There's a lot of selling, oversold happened here, right, during this time, right here as well. Then it started picking it up. MACD started going up. So I think tomorrow will be a good day. I'm gonna be picking up a couple of stocks. This one as well. Then I feel like this is on a downward trend. So I'm going to see tomorrow where it resides. And if we're looking at tomorrow, I think a good entry point. Let me just quickly have a look. So right now, this is your support, and your resistance is at 51 cents. If it crosses this 24 cents, the next support is going to be your 19 cents. Okay. So if it does start going up, it's going to go up to 51 cents. And it could fluctuate between that for a while. I think it's going to be there for a while. But again, I'm going to be seeing tomorrow 28 cents, 30 cents. I think even if you pick up, $100 worth of shares and, you leave it there for, a couple of years. And hopefully when the market revives this year, this stock could go up, potentially could go up to, as we saw, right? The stock has a potential to go up to at least $14 in the near term future. Okay. So if it doesn't go to $14, in 2020, it was $2.76. You could do the math, right? If it's 20 cents, 28 cents right now, and you purchase that, even if it goes to the $2, that's $1.32 gain on one share. Okay, so I think it's definitely a buy. I would recommend you guys spending some money in this one. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is what I'm gonna do. And I looked at this particular stock, and I was really happy to see a good stock coming down like this. I'm sorry, but this is the reality. People sell out, and you want to be able to get that opportunity and be able to get in. If you guys are interested in this stock, this is my short video for today. Please, do spend some time on looking at the stock and see if what you gather from it. I think this definitely a buy. And if you have it, I guess you would hold on to it. But yeah, if you find anything informative, please just subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more videos on different stocks. I'll see you guys in the next video.